What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
So I bring this iPad here for my friend. I came all the way from DC. He was saying that the battery dies really quick, and I was wondering if you could fix it, please.
Wow. So you just want to fix the battery?
Yes, please.
Oh, it looks like we have to do deep cleaning too on this one. Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
This is so gross. We have to deep clean this whole thing. I can't even touch it. Look at that. And it's bent. Let's go. I'm gonna first clean it and then I will start. I cannot even touch the power button. And in his case too, we have to do deep cleaning on this one as well. Watch until the end. So sticky.
Oh, Jacob. Ice. Jacob, you bit me.
This can be a screen protector on here. Oh yeah. Really? Well, like this was screen protector, so I don't have to clean this. But there is some burn on here. I don't know what is this. It's been there. See? And I was thinking, what was this? I don't even know what is this. Ew. How often do you guys clean your case? And how many cases do you have? Comment below. Find DNA. Damn. Wow, look at his battery. It's pregnant, 3 months, about to give birth. We have to change this. Surgery time. Baby is out. Normal size battery, pregnant battery. Do you see the difference? Your iPad is ready, search. Now
Wow.
it's good to go. Nice and clean.
Thank you for fixing it. Now he better love it because you cleaned it as well.
Yeah, I
It looks
did.
brand new.
Even look at the case.
Wow.
The whole case is
Fresh.
fresh out the box.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.